How can I delete all local Docker images? I recently started using Docker and never realized that I should use dockercompose down instead of Ctrl+C or dockercompose stop to get rid of my experiments. I now have a large number of unneeded Docker images locally. Is there a flag I can run to delete all the local Docker images and containers? Something like docker rmi all force all flag does not exist, but I am looking for something with similar idea.
Unix. To delete all containers including its volumes, use. To delete all the images. Remember, you should remove all the containers before removing all the images from which those containers were created. Windows, PowerShell. Windows, command line.
Use this to delete everything. Remove all unused containers, volumes, networks, and images. This URL.
Here is short and quick solution I used. Docker provides a single command that will clean up any resources, images, containers, volumes, and networks that are dangling, not associated with a container. To additionally remove any stopped containers and all unused images, not just dangling images, add the A flag to the command. For more details, visit link.
Remove all unused images, not just dangling ones. Add F option to force. Local Docker version 17.09.0 say, git commit, of 64, os/arch, darwin/m64.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.